everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change YouTube video thumbnail after uploading the video. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, so do it quickly. First of all, you have to select any video which you want to change the thumbnail. For example, I want to change this video thumbnail. To change any video thumbnail, you have to click on this three dots front of the video. When you click on this front of the video, here you have to click on this edit. When you click on this edit button, after that here you have to click on this top left. Here you can see top left photo icon. Here you can see you have to click on this icon at the top left. When you click on this icon, now here you have to click on this change button. When you click on the change button, now here you have to select any new thumbnail. For example, I want to select this. After that, you have to click on top right done icon. When you click on done icon, now here you have to click on save. In this way you can change your YouTube video thumbnail after uploading or posting. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.